Want to give your Shopify store a fresh look? In today's video, I'll show you how to install a Shopify theme step by step, making your store visually appealing and user-friendly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start from your Shopify homepage and click Online Store in the left-hand menu. This section houses all your customization options. Scroll down to the Themes area, where Shopify displays free themes perfect for beginners or anyone looking to explore the platform at no cost. If you are interested in premium themes, click Visit Theme Store to explore a variety of professional designs tailored to different industries, aesthetics, and seasons. Search and select a theme that aligns with your brand vision. Premium themes can enhance both appearance and user experience. Once you've added a free theme or purchased a premium one, head back to your theme library. Locate your new theme and click Publish to make it live. Don't forget, you can always preview themes before publishing to ensure they fit your store perfectly. And that's it. Installing a Shopify theme is simple, rewarding, and the first step to creating a stunning online store. Happy selling!